The Arkansas State Police had their eyes on a wanted 4x4 truck and its driver. CID special agents tracked the vehicle closely, waiting for the right moment to act. The tension mounted as they awaited backup from a marked unit.
Schwab, all yours. 6 Coming back out to 71. Where can they run
When the marked unit arrived, the pursuit escalated. The driver, refusing to surrender, led the police on a high-speed chase. The truck weaved through the roads, but the officers were determined to end it safely.
Traffic's medium, the line, northbound 71. TBI roll over 1016. Hey, TBI roll over.
Hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Hands! Now! On the ground! On it! On it! Get out! On the ground! Get the... You got him? Hey, go grab him real quick. Go put handcuffs on him. Who else is in the car besides you two?
We can't want this. Why is this happening? Why is this happening, sir? I didn't want you to do that.
Get off.
I can't.
Get off.
With the road stretching ahead, a calculated pit maneuver was set in motion. The impact flipped the heavy truck, bringing the pursuit to an abrupt, dramatic conclusion. The Arkansas State Police had succeeded in their mission.
Now get out on
I
it.
didn't do this,
On
sir.
the ground.
Yes, sir, I didn't do anything.
Who else is in the car?
Sir, I didn't do anything.
On the afternoon of October 16, 2024, a routine patrol took a sharp turn when Trooper Lincoln Smith ran a check on a black Chrysler 200 on I-530. The vehicle's records showed no insurance and a suspended license for its registered owner, Charnequa Shante Patterson. After initiating a traffic stop, Trooper Smith approached the car and confirmed the driver's identity. What followed was tense. Patterson questioned the validity of the stop and refused to show her ID. Moments later, she rolled up her window, started the engine, and sped away.
So, your driver's license is suspended, correct? Okay. So, I'm going to tow your vehicle, so get out of the vehicle. I'm about to... You roll this window down, or I'm about to break this window. Unlock this door. Unlock this door. Get out of the vehicle right now. I'm about to pull you out of this vehicle. I'm about about to break your window. Open the door and get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle! Man, get out of the vehicle! Put your arm! Get out of the vehicle! Step out of the vehicle with your arms up! Face away from me! Lay down on that! Put your hands up! Lay down! Arms out like an airplane!
Well, he was at the 34 on his traffic stop, 31 northbound. I'm leaving headquarters.
Pull me over. And then you wreck my vehicle now? You know that. This is very illegal. You know that, right? You have no proper cause to pull me over, sir.
Roll inside.
You literally wrecked my car. Are you serious? You have no proper cause to pull me over. You literally wrecked my car.
Personal problem,
I don't
not
have
good.
Spread your legs.
I have nothing on you, bro.
Yep. Do you have anything in your bra?
No, I don't have nothing on. I just left quarters. What the hell? You literally just wrecked my car.
With the chase over, Trooper Smith ordered Patterson out of the vehicle. She complied and was taken into custody without further incident. The vehicle, damaged on the right rear quarter panel, was towed away as the situation came to a close. Patterson now faces charges including fleeing in a vehicle, obstructing governmental operations, and resisting arrest.